Some of you may have noticed that I haven't posted many blogs or videos lately. That's because I've been out of state for a couple weeks. I just got back Sunday, and then I was at work all week. So, and I have a couple hundred gigabytes of 4K video footage to assemble. But I wanted to show you one thing that I was going to bring on my trip, but came after my trip. And that is this. This is the Tesla rear window shade. So, it's a bit dirty. Alright, here's the package. Here's the secondary package. And here's the goods. Yeah, I thought there were directions with it. Maybe they were in the box. Alright. That's pretty self-explanatory. So does the Tesla emblem go in or out? Let's see here. I'm betting it goes like this. Aha! There we go. It seems to fit pretty well. So it just goes focus. It just sort of fits right up there. You can see there's a little bit, you can sort of peel it back like that, but it's springy and goes right there. So yeah, there we go. Alright, so we'll see how that does in knocking down the sun exposure. I wanted to have that in the car on the road trip, but as it turns out, I didn't have the dog. I didn't have Gidget in the back here. She actually rode in the middle seat on the way out, and then actually in the front seat on the way back, so it wasn't really an issue, but it'll be nice in the future.